In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on email notifications in Google Forms. This feature can be incredibly useful, especially if you're collecting survey data, managing event registrations, or gathering feedback. It allows you to stay on top of every submission as it comes in, without the need to continually check your form manually. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. This is the central hub for all your Google Forms. Once you're on the site, you'll want to sign in using your Google account credentials. It's important to make sure you're logging in with the account that created or has access to the form you want to monitor. This step is essential because you need the proper permissions to enable notifications for any form. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, all your forms are organized and stored for easy access. You'll want to look for the section labeled Recent Forms. This area displays the forms you've been working on most recently, which makes it easy to find what you're looking for without having to scroll through your entire collection of forms. Once you spot the specific form that you want email notifications for, click on it. This action will open up the form editor, giving you access to all the settings and response data. Now that your form is open, navigate to the Responses tab at the top of the screen. This tab is where Google Forms compiles all the submissions from your respondents, and it's also where you'll find the notification settings. Click on it to switch from the form editing view to the responses view. Here you can see all the data that's been collected so far, which is incredibly handy when you want to analyze responses. In the responses section, look for the three dotted lines icon. This icon, which can usually be found in the upper right area of the responses tab, serves as a menu for additional options. Give it a click to reveal a drop-down menu with several useful features for managing your form responses. From this drop-down menu, locate and click on the option that says Get Email Notifications for New Responses. By selecting this, you're enabling a notification system that will automatically send you an email every single time someone submits a response to your form. How great is that? This means you'll be instantly alerted without needing to keep refreshing the page or checking back manually. And that's it. You've successfully set up email notifications for every response in your Google form. Now, every time someone fills out and submits your form, you'll receive an email notification directly to the inbox associated with your Google account. It keeps you informed in real time, which can be a game changer if you're managing multiple forms or need responses promptly. This feature can also be especially valuable in a collaborative setting. If you're working on a team project and need to track responses, or if you're just running an event and need to stay updated on registrations, turning on those email notifications creates a seamless method to stay in the loop. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, subscribing, and sharing it with anyone else who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.